In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter all my media in WordPress. Start by opening your WordPress website. Once you're logged in and looking at the dashboard, draw your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Click Media, then select Library. This is the central place where all the files you've uploaded to your site live, images, videos, audio files, PDFs, and more. Think of it as your site's filing cabinet, where you can quickly find, review, and manage everything you've added. Inside the library, you can view your media in either a grid or a list. The grid view is great for visual browsing, especially for images. The list view shows more details, like file name, type, author, and upload date, which can be helpful when you're organizing or verifying what's what. You can switch between these views using the icons near the top of the screen. To filter your media, look across the top of the library for the drop-down menus. The first lets you filter by media type, such as images, audio, video, or documents, so you can narrow the list to just what you need. The second drop-down filters by date, letting you quickly focus on files from a specific month and year. You can use these filters together, for example, to show only images from last month. There's also a search box to the right. Type part of a file name or a keyword to instantly narrow your results. If you ever feel stuck, clear your search or set the drop-downs back to All to see everything again. This same area is where you can add or delete media. If you need to bring in new files, the Add New button is right here in the library. To remove items, select a file and choose Delete. If you plan to remove multiple items, you can select several at once and use the bulk delete option. A quick tip: be careful when deleting. If a file is used on a page or post, removing it can cause a missing image or broken link. It's a good idea to double-check usage before confirming a permanent delete. As you explore, try switching to List View to sort by file name or date for a more structured sweep, then switch back to Grid View for quick visual scanning. Combining filters, date ranges, and search is the fastest way to locate exactly what you need. That's it. Open your site, go to Media, select Library, and use the filters to take control of your uploads. Take a moment to explore, and you'll be organizing your media like a pro.